Oh boy. Man, this feels like an interview. What's up? My name's Chris, and this is A&F Builds. I'm a full-time dad and employee, and I'm tired of settling. So I'm starting a woodworking business out of my garage, and I'm bringing you with me. My mission for this channel is to ideally retire my wife. She's done a lot for me, and I feel like I'm in a good spot with work and just myself. I feel like I'm in a good mental space that I can take on some sort of project or something that's gonna generate income and hopefully have her just be a full-time stay-at-home mom, because that's a lot of work. So that's the mission for this channel. I'm pretty new to woodworking. I don't have much experience, but honestly the goal is actually to learn and to build stuff and go to farmers markets and sell it, as long as flea markets and Facebook Marketplace. So I actually have researched the projects that I want to build, like planters and ice chest and small items, and I don't really see much in my area. So if I'm gonna do something that is gonna consume a lot of my time and a lot of my energy, I want it to be something that it's actually like something I enjoy. So yeah, this is A&F Builds, and I'll give you a tour of my shop so far. So let's see. So this is my garage. I'm actually pretty proud about how it looks right now. It at one point was not walkable. It was filled with a ton of storage after we got married, and our garage only had a little area. Actually, the black mats where you'll see right now was the only area that we could actually walk on, because my wife is a workout person. So she's super into being in shape and whatnot, and I'm more of the opposite. I like to munch, if you can tell by my chunky cheeks. But yeah, this is my shop. So everything I've acquired has either been a gift or has been something I've purchased to build something or help with something. So I recently actually bought these rigid workhorses because I'm actually remodeling our house mainly, but the walls used to be white. I got I don't know what fraction is, but I got 2 walls painted black. That area right there is for my wife and her workout essentials, so that's all solely her, and that used to be in that corner right there. This is what's left of our mess per se, but yeah, that's my baby girl's little play stuff and a ton of other tools that I have right there. But I plan on painting these walls black as well, and also dropping down a one of those fancy hexagon shop lights right there. And then this whole wall is actually my work area. But yeah, like I was saying, that saw right there was acquired through Facebook Marketplace. So it's actually what's going to get me started. And then I have a ton of little gifts right here. Let's see, these are all Ryobi stuff. I have a mix of Milwaukee and DeWalt that's down there, but yeah, I probably could have cleaned this up. But yeah, that's my shop, and my goal eventually is to, like I said, just retire my wife. I am pretty tired of just living kind of paycheck to paycheck and having to deal with like sitters and you know, sometimes them being sick and whatnot, and I don't know, there's something about building stuff too that's pretty fulfilling apart from what I do full time. So yeah, that's my plan. My first build was actually this thing right here. Let me show you guys. Built that little fence right there, and yeah, I plan on doing a lot of stuff to this house. There's a lot of potential. Has a pool. Plan on building something for that AC. I gotta redo that shed. That roof is, I don't know if you can see, but that roof is just caving in. But yeah, let me look at my paper. I gotta look at what I'm saying and whatnot. So, call to action. Subscribe if you want to see. Subscribe if you want to follow the real side of starting something from scratch with sawdust and self-doubt. That's fucking cheesy. So, now that I've introduced myself a little bit, yeah, feel free to subscribe, follow along if you want to see the real side of starting something from scratch. I'm pretty excited. I've been wanting to do this a long time, so thank you for watching, and drop a like on the video and all that cool YouTube stuff. I don't have any ads. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not rich. This is just someone trying to make something out of whatever they have. So if that's something that you're interested in or need motivation doing, hopefully I can be that person for you. So thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.